A small ceiling stain does not always mean a small roof repair. Before reaching for roofing cement, confirm exactly where the water enters and whether the repair is safely accessible. Wait for dry, calm weather. Never work on a wet, steep, brittle, icy, or visibly damaged roof, and never rely on an unsecured ladder. If the leak is near a roof edge, chimney, skylight, valley, or complex flashing system, professional repair is usually the safer choice. For a safely accessible asphalt shingle roof, begin in the attic and trace the water to its highest point. Measure that location from a fixed feature, then inspect the corresponding exterior area. A single damaged shingle may be replaceable. Carefully lift the overlapping shingles, remove the fasteners holding the damaged piece, slide in a matching replacement, and fasten it in the manufacturer-approved locations. Seal only the lifted tabs and fastener locations with a compatible roofing sealant. If water is entering around a plumbing vent, inspect the rubber boot and surrounding flashing. A cracked boot normally needs replacement. Coating the entire area with sealant is usually a temporary patch, not a durable repair. Do not drive exposed screws through shingles and cover them with random caulk. Roofing works by directing water downward across overlapping layers. A patch that interrupts this shingle-style drainage can trap water and create another leak. After the repair, inspect the attic during the next steady rain. Do not test with uncontrolled amounts of hose water that could create a leak the roof would not normally experience. If decking feels soft, multiple shingles are failing, flashing must be rebuilt, or the leak's origin remains unclear, stop and call a roofer. The best small repair fixes one confirmed entry point, not every nearby surface with sealant.